It took me 5 hours to find out why the UL and the OL wasn't working, and this system can be very useful for people who are like me, focusing on the main channel, which is YouTube, and then from there they want to publish the other things. I don't want to have a blog per se, maybe something specific I'll do a blog on, but I want to focus on video format. It's the Google document, the last one, updated one, and then it posts it the right way into YouTube. Hi there, this is Adrian, and today I'm going to show you why there's issues with formatting, especially when you have bullet lists in Webflow and when you're automating from make.com to Webflow. This is something that came up for me a few times and I don't know why, but it's the issue. And let me tell you, it's an easy fix. You just use the replace module, it's called the formula, and then I'll show you. Once you do this, you can actually get everything over. So you just have replace and then UL, which is the HTML tag for a bulleted list or not, I don't remember, and the OL. Once you replace these, you should be fine. It's gonna come out perfectly. On the other side, I'll show you this one, for example. If I do the same, but I don't do the replacements, so look, if I just do it without, let's say HTML there, okay, and then if we just run this, I'm gonna give the doc. So I'm gonna go here. Oh, you can't see this right now. 1 second. So I'm just going here and then copying the doc ID, which goes before the edit. So Control C there. And I'm gonna click inside of here. I'm gonna put this. So look here. Now we're gonna create a new blog, and look how it's gonna look when you're just gonna run it. Oh wow, well now it's gonna give problems for other stuff. Okay, we don't need to, we can just have it here. Okay, now it's gonna work. Look at this, we're gonna run this. It gets whatever it gets. 1 second, just found the issue. I have to click, I have to remove this because I have a filter in my first module. So I'm just running this for the ones who basically does not exist. Yeah, because if the blog ID exists, for me that's a sign that we already have, let's say we already have a blog on that, okay? So we're gonna run this. It should return one package, and now it's getting posted to Webflow. And here, if you remember, we just have that HTML. We didn't do anything else with it. So if we go back to our Webflow now, refresh here. Let me just bring this here for you. Now you will see this blog and something is missing, right? You see? So the lists are coming, but it's not displaying them. I'm not a code pro yet, so I don't know why it's not displaying, but it's about the UL and OL tags. Everything else looks fine. We have the headings, we have, yeah, everything is perfect. It's just that. So yeah, to get it right, you need to replace the ULs and OLs. I tried this many different ways, but this is the solution. Another thing I wanted to mention, this is just a small tip. And if you see, I have categories here, and I actually, so if you guys need some system like this, I could put the blueprint, I could make the next video on how to post. Basically now I'm taking YouTube transcripts, but you can take anything, any material, and then you reformat it, and then you have a content calendar like this. So what I'm doing is I'm focusing on my YouTube, and from YouTube I want it to trickle down in a high quality way into my other platforms. So that's why here I'm starting with, basically I'm adding these to a list, and then I go, once the blog documents have been added, I will check them, make edits to the Google document. The Google document can be just open like this. I just make my edits, whatever, I format it, and then I click OK, because I want to actually have high quality content. I know that AI is not going to do it justice. I want to add links, etc., etc. So what I wanted to tell you is, if you want to build a system like this, then I also recommend not using the category, because I got a lot of fucking errors with that shit. So if you go here, I'll show you right now, discard changes. So here, if you choose a category and you're trying to, hold category in two places, I just hold it in my Google Sheets. I feel like that's the best database for me. And from there, I'll just push it out wherever I need. So you have what is it called? An option menu. And here you can add options, yeah? But the problem is whenever you change your, one second. Whenever you change this, let's say you add another option, or as time goes on you want to change your categories, now you have to go and manually and painstakingly change all of the categories there in Webflow, so right here. So that's why I don't want to have that. I tried that and then it always gives errors, but I would rather have it posted without errors, and then in the future I could recategorize them or edit the categories, or just have some old categories, like let's say I have a personal, and then in the future my personal videos, I will call them self-help. So the old ones will just stay as personal because it's a text field right now. So if you see my categories, they're just text. So in general, what I'm doing right now is, I'll show you, I'm building a content manager basically. I will take so I will basically take this, which is my Google Docs. I will take the transcript because I have the transcript. I've scraped my own transcript. I'm starting to talk like Mickey Mouse. All right, so yeah, I just give the transcript. As you can see, like, I'm not gonna go through this myself. It takes a long time. So I think I put down 6 hours today, but that's just like 2 or 3 videos of blog posts. So I'm gonna have so many blog posts coming out soon. And what I wanted to tell you is, so this transcript is taken and then fed into this AI model, which I have trained the way I wanted to write the blog posts, and then I convert it back and forth a bit, and then I post it into I post a link basically to the Google Doc, and then in the future I'll just go inside here. Oh, that's not the one. I'll just go inside of here. I'll click on the document link. I'll just make the edits that I need, and then with this other one, I'll just approve whatever I need to approve, and then this can run like once a day. It takes the Google document, the last one, updated one, and then it posts it the right way into YouTube. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe. I hope this is value, because it took me 5 hours to find out why the UL and the OL wasn't working, and this system can be very useful for people who are like me, focusing on the main channel, which is YouTube, and then from there they want to publish the other things. I don't want to have a blog per se. Maybe something specific I'll do a blog on, but I want to focus on video format. Anyways, have a good day. Talk to you soon. Bye.